keep updating you on the current coronavirus situation across the country, as India is very close to the 3.5 lakh mark in the total number of cases till now that have been reported, and almost touching 10,000 in the casualties till now. And the pictures that we are showing you on your screens are of a short while back, where Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, was surveying and supervising a hotel which has now been converted into a COVID hotel. This is a Surya Hotel in a New Friends Colony in Delhi, very close to the Holy Family Hospital. That is mentioned in the Delhi Corona app as well, where the information of beds and ventilators can be seen. Now, while supervising such hotels, where the Chief Minister has said that many more hotels will now be roped in, and we have seen many banquet halls as well, who will now be turned into quarantine centers with the additional beds and facilities that will be provided, so that the hospitals in Delhi are not overwhelmed with the COVID patients and other patients as well. We have Piyush with us, who was right there where Chief Minister Kejriwal was, Surya Hotel in the national capital. Yes, Piyush, the preparations that are being done as this hotel will now be converted into a COVID hotel.
Well, absolutely, preparations have been done, because this is a Surya Hotel which is here in New Friends Colony area of National Capital. First of all, let us try to show you the pictures from inside this hotel, because there are some markings which have been done here by the hotel authorities. You see that there's a red line also, that anyone who is entering inside this hotel, he or she doesn't have to cross this red line, and they have to maintain complete distance. And after entering inside this hotel, we are showing you the live pictures of the preparations which the hotel authorities have done. After entering inside this hotel, if one has to go at the second floor of this hotel, where there are some COVID beds for the COVID patients, then there are lifts also. You see that these lifts have been also marked with red line, and there are only three people can stand here. I'll try to show you as to how people will be standing here. See, one can stand here at one point of time, then the another can stand here at another point of time, and then third person can stand here. So only three people will be allowed to stand in these lifts. So social distancing have been completely followed. Now we'll go at the second floor, where the COVID beds, COVID, rooms have been designated there inside the hotel. Remember, this is the place where Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, even he had come here to visit this very hotel, because yes, it's important to mention that there are some preparations which the hotel authorities have done. Now we are at the second floor, where the COVID beds have been designated. We are at the same place where if one patient comes, then he or she, if he is COVID positive, then he or she will be brought here. And what the hotel authorities have told us is that there are some charges which the patients will have to pay for, and we are showing you the pictures also of this lobby from where if any patient comes, then he or she can enter, and while going from the lift, they will be going inside the these rooms, and you see that that's the room will be designated for the patient. And we are showing you the first pictures, exclusive pictures of this very hotel, where if any patient comes, then these kind of rooms will be given to the patients. We also have Mr. Girish, who is also supervising all the things, who is looking after all the preparations here. We'll try to speak to him and try to understand the kind of preparations which the hospital authorities have done. So thank you so much for speaking to us. Great preparations have been done by the hotel authorities. What are the charges if one patient has to come?
Well, the charges have been fixed by the government, and it's 5,000 rupees plus taxes per room. And that is for the hotel. We have to pay, we've got to organize breakfast, lunch and dinner, and ensure that the services for the patients is okay. For example, my housekeeping, my F&B service, my production, my engineering team have to be part of the hotel. So that's the way it's